Donka, so we're not going back in lows because they're getting sick of us in there. Anyway, I don't have my soundbox collar on, but of course I'm doing my pager concurrent with my commands. You'll be able to see. It's better not to have the soundbox sometimes so you guys can see, but you can see she's going to have a physical reaction to the pager where I'm going to do concurrent with my verbal command. Donka! My pager and add my treat right after that to my heel. Down. Down. That was a demonstration of how not to do the down. Okay. The problem is she sees all these leaves on the ground. She thinks it's the treats. And I'm not going to lie to you guys, we haven't had any time to train these this week, so I'm kind of getting the same as last week. So, Donka! I want to prep her for the down. I can say heel, down, and then add my head. Donka. Down. Alright guys, more updates soon.